Okay, this quick tutorial will teach you how to share a protected file with a password on Google Drive. So let's just pick a file on the drive here. It doesn't really matter which file for this purpose. So yeah, we'll take the dairy asset. So right click on it. You can get the link here, but I recommend going to the Share Plus just to make sure it's set up correctly, that people can actually edit or delete, etc. So in this case, they can view it. So now copy that link, quick copy. You can also click up here and it'll copy it. As you can see, copy down here. Click done. And what we want to move over to is the new. Go down to, if you can't see it there, you want Google Forms. On here, we're going to call it dairy. We don't want this question, so we're actually going to change that. Yeah, move it from multiple choice down to short answer. That's it. Sorry, I missed it there. Question is, what is the password? It is required. Go down to the bottom corner, response validation. And it will come up number greater than, but we actually want to change that to text. And the text here, where it says text, is actually the password. We'll make this very simple, dairy in lowercase. And this is the response they get if they put the wrong answer in. So let's just say, please try again. And if we save that, that's now set up the question for the file. Go up here to settings. You can collect the email addresses as people put them in, so you know who's responded to it. You can also limit it to one, so people don't keep trying to put the same password in, but different passwords until they get it right. Now what we want to do is we go over here, it says presentation. This confirmation message here is where you actually want to put the link. Thank you for your response. You can find the file here, and then you just place it in there and save. You want to actually view the form, which is, there we go, preview over here. And I just want to show what is your password, and we'll just put anything in. Please try again. As you can see, it won't let us go to the next level until we get the password right. So we'll put dairy in there, click submit, and we now have the file to download.